Today I'm going to show you how to block websites in Google Chrome in a simple, fast, and beginner-friendly way. If you want to reduce distractions, control screen time, or keep certain sites off limits while you work or study, this tutorial will help you do it step by step. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure you're connected to the internet so Chrome can load the extension store properly. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser and click the three dots menu. This opens Chrome's main menu, where you can find a lot of built-in settings and tools. From the menu, move your mouse over extensions. Then click Visit Chrome Web Store. This will take you to the official Chrome extension store, where you can find trusted tools that add extra features to your browser. Now, in the Chrome Web Store search bar, type BlockSite. You should see an extension called BlockSite. Block websites and stay focused. Click on that extension from the search results to open its details page. Here you can review the extension description, features, reviews, and screenshots before installing it. When you're ready, click Add to Chrome. Chrome will now show a permissions pop-up asking you to confirm the installation. This is normal because the extension needs permission to function inside your browser. Click Add Extension to complete the installation. After that, BlockSite will install automatically in Chrome. Now go to the website you want to block. This could be a social media site, a gaming website, or any distracting page you want to keep away from while you work. Open that site normally in a new tab so BlockSite can detect it. Next, look near the address bar and click the puzzle piece icon. This opens the extensions menu where all of your installed browser extensions are listed. Find BlockSite in the list and click it. That will open the BlockSite pop-up window. If BlockSite asks you to accept permissions, click I accept so the extension can work properly. Once the extension is active, you'll see an option that says Block this site. Click that button and the current website will be added to your blocked list immediately. At this point, the website should no longer be accessible through normal browsing in Chrome. This is a great way to stay focused, protect productivity, or limit access to sites you don't want to visit during work hours. If you ever want to block more websites, you can repeat the same process on each one. And if you need to make changes later, you can open BlockSite again from the extensions menu and manage your blocked list from there. So that's how to block websites in Google Chrome quickly using BlockSite. If this tutorial was helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next step-by-step guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.